The navigation menu for the eco-preserved site is very clean, including only 4 main options, even though they have many more than 4 pages on their site. So even though they've paid special attention to detail in their navigation, they certainly can see the forest for the trees, especially because they have many pictures of trees on their site. How'd they do that? When you create a Weebly site, you're given 1 to 3 pages to get you started, but you're not limited to just these 1 to 3 pages. You can add as many pages as you like, and you do this through the rather appropriately named Pages tab. Going here will open a Pages list in the sidebar, and clicking the plus button at the top of this list brings up a number of options for adding new pages. But the one you're likely to use close to 99% of the time is the very first one, Standard Page. Selecting this standard page will add a new page and prompt you to give it a name, as well as provide you with a few other options for the look and function of that page. It'll also automatically show you the page while you work on it. Hit Save to see this page in your Pages list. Every page you create is automatically added to the site's navigation bar, so that you can click on it to edit and add content to it, and also so visitors to your site can click on it to see the page. But if you add enough pages, you'll find that the site's navigation bar isn't infinite. There's only so much room to link to pages from there. When the number of pages you create outgrows what can fit on the navigation bar, Weebly automatically puts the overflow under a tab called More. When you scroll over it, a drop-down menu displays all the excess pages. This is perfectly fine as a workaround, since we have to put those pages somewhere, but an even better option is for you to manually organize your site by creating subpages. To create subpages, all you need to do is drag any page underneath and to the right of another page until it becomes indented. Then drop it and it'll snap in place. In this example, our site has 4 pages on its main navigation: Home, About, Research, and Take Action. But we've also placed subpages underneath 3 of these main pages to better organize the site. So when we scroll over one of the main pages, the subpages appear in a drop-down menu. Now, what if there are pages you don't even want to have appear in the navigation bar at all? For pages like that, you can check the box next to Hide in Navigation. This will do exactly what it says and hide the page from your navigation bar. That means visitors won't be able to see it in your menu, but you can always create links to this hidden page from somewhere else on your site if you want to do so. And that's how you do that.